Now I'm making some ties for on the tree. I'm just going to take this long strip and cut it in half and then cut the strips smaller so I can tie them on the tree. You could use ribbon, any kind of scrap. I'm using this one because the Santas are all cut off. You can't really see his little head. So it'll be perfect for this tree. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can use your rotary cutter, but I'm right here and got scissors, so we're just going to do it this way. Alright, let me see about how long I want my strips. Probably like that, which is about 6 inches. So we'll stick with 6 inches for now. And we're not going to sew anything. We're just going to cut and tie, and I'm just going to use the other one as a guide. Don't worry if it's not perfect. It doesn't matter. Alright. And let's just cut this. Not even going to measure. I'm just going to eyeball some and cut them. Because they don't all need to be the same. That's the beauty of this. Called a rag tree. So now you just take all your strips that you cut and you just randomly tie it on the branches. Just in a simple knot. I just try, and I'm going to put the tree up here so you can see it. I just try and get it so that the, fabric's facing out. And it doesn't have to be tight or anything, just has to be on the tree. So there's one. Now I'm just going to keep sewing random ones on. And this is a perfect little tree for a camper or, your front porch. Although it'd probably blow away on the front porch. And you don't have to use all one color. I'm just kind of scattering these around, and then I will add some different scraps when I'm done. And I bought battery operated lights. But I can't find them, of course. I'm always losing everything. Alright, we need one way up here because there's really nothing right there. So, yeah, I'll put one down here. And you can put your, fold them in half as you do it if you want. It's your tree, do it however you want. And I'll put one there. I'll move it down to the edge. That one was right on the edge. Let's see what else we have. There's a green strip. I'll cut it in half and put some, well, now the green would blend in. Here is some right here that I had for binding that I didn't use, so I will cut it and add it to the tree. Alright, I got that one done. Then I found these strips that I cut off of squares. And here's one of just a piece of salvage. I'm going to tie it on. And I'm not even going to do a double knot on that one. They hang better if you just do it once. And let's see. Let's put one right there. put this one here. And I moved the little tree to the top. And I also have these pearl string. I'm going to put them on to make it look like little lights are on the tree until I get some. Alright, I'm going to add this garland on here around the tree. I probably should have done this before I tied everything on, but that's not what's happening, so. Oops, I tied two branches together. Really, dude. There, get back on there. Now I'll put you there. Okay. And you all the way around. And I'm just going around and kind of loosely draping it. Just to give the tree a little bit of sparkle. And there you have it. There's your tree, your rag tree with an ornament. You can put more on, but I think one's enough. And if you had, you could put a star up there. I'll probably get some lights. I added a little bow to the top of the tree, and now it's done. Thanks for watching.